Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set a stop loss order on Binance. I noticed that there's a lot of videos out there that are really wasting your time, and as you guys know, I don't do that. So if you appreciate that, let me know by leaving a like, and of course you could also consider subscribing to my channel for more straightforward tutorials about cryptocurrencies. And with that being said, let's hop right into the video. The first thing you need to do to place a stop loss order on Binance is to go over to Markets in the top left, and then you will see a screen looking similar to this one. Here you'll need to search for the pair you would like to trade. For me this will be RSR/USDT, so I'll go over to Find Markets and search for RSR/USDT. You'll then see the pair pop up and you need to click on the trade button. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page you want to go over to the place order section. Now if you're using the Pro layout, this will be on the right side of your screen. And if you're using the default layout, this will be in the middle of your screen down at the bottom. You'll then need to go over to the sell part and make sure stop limit is selected. You'll then see a menu looking similar to this one. A stop limit order consists out of two parts, the stop price and the limit price. The stop price is the price at which your limit order will be created, and the limit price works the same as with a normal limit order. So the first thing you need to do is to decide at which price you want to set your stop loss. I want to set my stop loss at a price of 0.04712 USDT per RSR. So I'll go over to stop and fill in 0.04712. Now I need to decide the limit price. This is the price that your cryptocurrency will be sold for. Now I'll go ahead and fill in 0.04702 USDT. And once you've filled in the stop price as well as the limit price, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of RSR you would like to place a stop loss for. You can fill in this amount manually over at RSR, or you can fill in the total amount of USDT you would like to set a stop loss for. And the third option is to select a percentage of your holdings by dragging the percentage bar. Once you've filled in the stop price, the limit price and the amount, all that's left to do is to click on the sell button. You'll then see the order confirmation, and here you can go over to the bottom, and once you have double checked the order confirmation, all that's left to do is to click on confirm. And as you guys can see, the stop loss limit order has been placed. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.